Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use my investment tracker. Once you start investing, it's exciting to see your progress and track your portfolio. This spreadsheet helps you do just that. An investment tracker helps you to easily check up on your investment portfolio by providing simple to see stock changes through visualized data and charts. As an example, this spreadsheet helps track up to 50 investments. It has an investment tracker. This is where you'll enter your starting information. Start by choosing your preferred currency symbol. Then enter your investment name, the date you made that investment, the amount invested, and the investment value of the current date. An investment tracker serves as a detailed log to record the date of each specific investment you make. Unlike a monthly statement, it offers the flexibility to log multiple instances of the same investment if needed. The Investment Breakdown tab shows a thorough breakdown of all your investments. It shows the total amount invested, the total investment value, the total gain and loss. The Investment tab should not be edited since the cells have formulas that help with the spreadsheet's function. The Monthly Dashboard. The monthly dashboard offers a further breakdown based on the month and year chosen. Simply choose the month from the drop-down list and enter the year to see the investments made on the chosen month. The Dividend Tracker is a log that helps you track your dividends and really easy to use. Simply enter the stock name, the date you received your dividend, the current stock price, and the dividend gained. Dividend Monthly Dashboard. The Dividend Tracker translates to the Monthly Dividend Dashboard. The Monthly Dividend Dashboard is a breakdown of the dividend tracker. Simply choose the month from the drop-down list and enter the year to see the dividends gained made on the chosen month. An investment tracker spreadsheet is a valuable asset for investors seeking to take control of their financial future. With features such as portfolio breakdown, real-time updates, dividend tracking, and goal setting, it offers a comprehensive solution to manage and optimize your investments effectively. Thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, keeping track of your investments is more crucial than ever. This spreadsheet is a powerful tool designed to streamline your portfolio management process and maximize your returns. I hope it helps you in attaining your financial goals.